and the sun finally shines, and it's a beautiful day filled with so many emotions. How we started off at 9 o'clock and now at about 1:15, this is the situation. I hope we make it to Namche, man, but it's beautiful. Wow.
Hola, yo me llamo Paco y soy de la India. I've traveled to 232 cities in 23 countries, and now you can join me on my journey and travel with me.
Hi, good morning. So this is day number 14 and we are packing our bags to head off to Namche Bazaar, leaving 4,900 meters altitude and up to 3,400 meters. It is a 26 kilometers hike. Good morning, Monish.
Good morning, bro.
Hey.
I'm burning 5.
Okay.
Chimney.
Thank you.
This is a Himalayan heater.
We were supposed to depart at 8, but yet again it's the same thing as yesterday. It's little snowfall. We will head out in another half an hour and we will take it forward because we have to reach Namche Bazaar by 8 a.m. as of now. Alright, so here we are having a breakfast. This is champa. And what are you having?
I'm having muesli.
Muesli. There he is down there having his muesli.
It's time to depart. Thank you, Monish.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shri.
Bye.
Thank you, Tashi. Tashi. Alright, boys, let's go. Bye. Thank you, Oxygen. Now it's 9 a.m. and we are off to Namche. Alright, that signboard there says Namche 16 hours and we are at 5030 meters. We are thinking we are at 4,900. We were informed that Namche is an 8-hour walk, but on the board it is written 16 hours. Boys, let's go. Shit. I'm following their footsteps, but it's just blowing right into your face. I don't know what's gonna happen. Check this out. It's kind of a little scary right now. You can see the skies are opening up, so that's positive. It says Periche this side. Namche 13 hours it says. We have done almost an hour. Also we're doing on time. Average base camp 9 hours, Lobuche 3 hours. So we are right now at Thukla, elevation 4620. And let's just go down. Baraf hai kya ye? We are stuck. This is cool. I have a partner. Hey, Mamus. Oi, man. There's a river we cross. This is the trail that takes us down. Alright, as soon as you cross the river, you come to this side. There is one that will go up. That's for Dingboche. And the down is Feriche. Dingboche, Feriche. So we gotta go down to Feriche. Yo guys, I've fallen like 4 times. My left ankle hurts. It's really slippery. I gotta watch my step. Everything is shut. So guys, highly recommend you to post-COVID travel specifically to come prepared. Do your reservations and then get in. Feels so good. At 4,500 I guess right now we are. So feeling much better. Keep walking. We are gonna reach Feriche I guess. Feels good. Snow is also going off. Stones. We're still about to reach Feriche. It looks so close, but yet it is so far. There's Feriche there. Alright, so we have made it to Feriche and I have to catch up with the boys. But check out this. It's the river flowing next to it. As you can see, it's saying Namche 10 hours walk, and here it's saying Pangboche 3 hours, Thukla 3 hours. This when we started in the morning, it was 16 hours and it's just been 2.5 hours now, and another 10 hours it says. So I guess we'll be able to do it faster since it's all downhill. There's no one, it's all empty. Hi, watch. I made this climb pretty quickly, but it goes more up and then I guess it goes down. And that's Feriche. Hello. How are you doing? Good man. Check this out. So Namche, it's showing 7 hours walk. We're at Churra at an elevation of 4140. Guys, this is pretty positive. Now it shows 7 hours walk in Namche at 14 kilometers. We have reached a guest house, Sunrise Guest House, Osho, and the boys haven't stopped here too. Back to vegetation. Yes, less than 4,000 meters. It's 1 p.m. and we are still walking. And vamos. Just met a local and asked him for Namche, and he says tonight it's not possible because by the time you reach Namche everything will be shut, so it's better to stay in Tengboche and then tomorrow to do Namche. Well, I doubt we'll be doing that. We'll be pushing ourselves to Namche for sure because tomorrow is also another big day to Lukla. That is 19 kilometers. And the sun finally shines. And it's a beautiful day filled with so many emotions. How we started off at 9 o'clock and now at about 1:15. This is the situation. I hope we make it to Namche, man. I guess that's Adambalam, the one. Beautiful. We have reached Pangboche finally. Took us hour 45. That's 2 hours to reach Pangboche. Well, we are in Pangboche and it is also empty. But yes, there are some lodges open. The boys are there. How are you guys? क्या order किया है? मेरा इसका दाल भात है। आपने?
Egg fried rice.
Alright, let's order lunch. My lunch is here, thank you. Alright guys, this is here. We have egg, veggies. Obviously, dal is coming. So we started from Pangboche at 2:30 and our target is Namche Bazaar. The locals say 4 hours, so hoping by 6:30 p.m. Well, that's the one. I love that. That's my favorite one. I don't want to have dal bath again. It's been too much now. I hope our flights are functioning so that we can catch a flight from Lukla to Kathmandu. I want to really thank the Didi, the lady in Lobuche. She fixed my back. I don't feel much of this pain. Everything has happened on this trip. Everything. This is what happens when you don't plan. They are filled with it. Let's be on. We're gonna cross that bridge and then we go down there and then we climb back up. Well, the greenery is back, the vegetation is back, feels good. Can take deep breaths. That's our target right on the top. There's one more on the bottom. Oh, now this is really well constructed path. This is the original route to Everest Base Camp, which everyone takes. And we got digressed a little thanks to Tommy. Hope we see him later in the night, but if not, he told us about Gokyo and that's where our trip changed. I went to Gokyo and it was beautiful. But now, this is such a beautiful walk path, just like your parks. This is the place of Milingo. It has a lot of lodges. There's one more being made. I guess it's a very nice temperature to chill at. Evergreen Lodge and Restaurant Milingo. So Pangboche to Debuche took us an hour. It's 3:30 p.m. So we'll do it before 6 once we reach Namche. Obviously there'll be no light. Someone's coming. I'll ask him about Namche. Yakshidara, Namche, how much time?
I think 3 hours.
Down?
This side going, after that down.
Then after that down?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. It says way to Namche. Perfect. And we're still going down. I guess I can see Namche Bazaar, but I may be wrong here. That may be the Khumbu Valley. Khumjung. I'm really bad with pronunciations. Well, I was hiking and here I came up to this where it's a cross and then there's this arrow and it says Paco. So I'm gonna go that side because boys have marked me on that side. I don't want to go wrong side. This was really close. I would have fallen right down into the river. Then again I had to climb back. So I'm still climbing down and I think so I'll be touching the river. If I'm touching the river then I have to climb back up and that ain't gonna be fun. It's 4:45. I hope there is some way that just connects it to the other mountain. And now from here we'll have to climb back up onto the top. It's gonna be painful. This is the area next to the river called Pugitanga. This is the river. Cross so many rivers. This one is just beautiful. Thank you. Solukhumbu region. You are definitely super clean. Well, it's 5:30 p.m. walking for almost 3 hours now. And in another half an hour, this light will also disappear. Let's hope I make it by then. Yeah. See you at Sherpa Barista. We're crossing some new village. It's called Lausasa. I don't know how much more time from here, man. Yo, guys, we have made it. And the boys are here having biryani. Woo! Fist bump. Fist bump. Yes, this guy's having his favorite biryani. And we are here obviously at Sherpa Barista.
And I'm giving you the best chili ever in Kumbu region.
Abhi se aansu aa rahe hain. Well, this is it. We have made it here. It took us 9 walking hours. Now we're gonna dive into some biryani. Alright. Bon appetit, everybody.
Bon appetit.
Thank you, guys. The chocolate cake is here at Sherpa Barista. And I am really excited to have this cake right now. We deserve it. Yes, my roomie is also here. Roomie.
Hello, everybody. So, today's day was super challenging. We reached here by 7:45. 7:30 for the boys, 7:45 for me. So it took us almost 9 hours to reach to Namche Bazaar, and then we came straight to Sherpa Barista, and right now we are just above Sherpa Barista and Family Lodge, Namche Bazaar. But it was really exhausting. We walked the last couple of hours with our torch, that is our phone light. And as soon as we reached Sherpa Barista, we had our biryani, had a beer, and then we connected on our phones. And now where we are staying here, they're charging us 500 rupees for the per bed. And my roomie is here.
Hello, everyone. Finally came back safely to Namche.
Tomorrow it gets better. We have to.
Tomorrow is 19, right?
Yeah.
Like, it's our day job now. Just walk, eat dal bhat, and come back to sleep like in tea house with 2 blankets. And get up again, walk for like 20 kilometer average. And have some porridge. Ask for some pickles. Indian pickles.
We crossed the the memorial, and then we crossed Feriche, and then from Feriche we crossed Debuche.
All with the buche, debuche, tebuche.
Lobuche. Yeah, we did all of this, and then at 6 o'clock we reached the river.
At one point, whenever people ask me from where you're coming, we say Lebuche. Oh, Lebuche. That's so far, man.
Something really great about today's hike was that we had a very good pace, and we were walking just like as locals walk. They do it in 8 hours, we did it in 9 hours, and we were very motivated because there was delicious biryani on the other side. And we guess we have walked almost 120 kilometers till now. Anyways, that's a wrap for tonight. Take care. Ciao.
Ciao. Bye. Meet you on other side.